Hello guys, just want to give you a quick update on this KS0 Iceriver miner. I've been mining for 3 days now, or actually 4 days, but the 3 days report, I just want to show you how I did set it up in garage. So I have this high-speed 5000 RPM fan, and it's controlled by temperature sensor that I showed you last time. So the temperature sensor I placed in the middle of this cooling of the Iceriver between the thing, so it can read temperature of the directly from the Iceriver. It does have two little fans which are really small, and the Iceriver instruction recommends to have additional air coming through. So I noticed if I don't have an air coming through, it gets really hot and the hash rates drops dramatically. So right now I'm running at the 35 degree outside, and about there it's set up, this temperature sensor set up for two sensors. So the first one is 35 for my and 3,450 RPM, so you can hear the sound of this fan. So it goes, as it gets warmer, the fan goes faster. When the temperature drops, the fan goes slower. So this is the device I'm using. I'm gonna post the link down below. Very cool device. I've been using that for my other miners, all these rigs, and the other, even in an Octa miner when I use nice hash. So let's go and check some stats. This fan is actually using, I just use power supply. It's really using 10 watts or 11 watts out of the wall. And my Iceriver using about 62 watts, around 62 watts. So it's really high efficiency. So let's go and check the stats on the computer. All right, so I'm back to my computer out of the noise, and I'm mining to woolypooly. Okay, so I switched to US. The instruction didn't give US option, only European pool, but I tried to US and it works. However, what I noticed, the hash rate, you could see it's going up and down. So it dramatically changes. It's going almost to 200 gigahash and drops to 0, and then back and forth. The average seems to be staying around. This is average only for 30 minutes, so it doesn't really give us a good stuff. But what I don't like about the hash rate, it drops all the way to 0, and then going back all the way to 0, and then sometimes it stays for 58 gigahash. So, and let's look at woolypooly website just to see. And again, the temperatures are temperature 138 Celsius and 44 Celsius. Not sure where the sensors in the actual miner. I put the fans, internal fans, to the maximum RPM just to make sure it cools down properly, just to keep hash rate at the maximum. And I noticed that it's when it goes above 48, 50 Celsius, it kind of drops the hash rate. So I just keep the fan settings on that fan and on that sensor that I showed you at the, so it's keep my miner at around 44 max. So it's really cool kind of to touch. And let's go to the woolypooly. So now we're back here. You see reported here, hash rate's 209 gigahash, which is probably not true. It's going up and down, and you could see the average hash rate is 99. So if I refresh it, it's probably gonna drop again. Yeah, so now it's 102 here, 99 average, 24 hours, 121. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if you can see that, guys, the 24. So anyways, for 3 days, so I got already one payout, 5,000 Kaspa, and a total for 3.5, it's going to be 3.5 days, it's 65. So it's averages to 1500. However, the last day, I think last 24 hours, it's been dropping. The rate kind of dropped to the close to 1200 Kaspa. So I did notice a huge jump on the Kaspa network hash rate. So it did went a little bit higher, but not crazy. However, my rate had dropped. So anyways, guys, I hope you like it. I'm gonna try next, probably after full 5 days, I'm gonna try to switch for 2 miners and check and compare to woolypooly 5 days, of course. And the rate may change, so it's not gonna be exact comparison, but I just want to test it to see how my rate going, hash rate up and down. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a good one.